Whirlpool dishwasher model WDT750SAKZ error codes. Load more, run less in this dishwasher with third rack. Load hard to fit utensils or measuring spoons in the third rack to free up more space for dishes below. You can fit taller items where you want thanks to the adjustable rack. Plus, you can move or separate the flexible 3-piece silverware basket to make extra space. Error codes. Code 11. Problem. Electronic control board is detecting a stuck electrical relay on the circuit board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher for 5 minutes to try and reset. If the error code comes back when power is applied, then check the wiring and the components. If the wiring and components check out, then replace the electronic control board. Code 12. Problem. All the lights are on as the user interface control is not compatible with the electronic control board. Fix. This error code will show when the wrong user interface control is installed. Code 21. Problem. Electronic control board detects a stuck key button on the control panel. Fix. If no keys work, replace the electronic control panel. If the control panel is damaged, then replace the electronic control panel. If the control panel is in working order, then the problem may be within the electronic control board. Code 22. Problem. User interface control unable to communicate with the electronic control board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wiring between the user interface control and the electronic control board. If the wires and connections check out, then replace the user interface control board. If the problem comes back, then replace the electronic control board. Code 31. Problem. There may be a break in the electrical wiring or the thermistor water temp sensor component failed. The optical water indicator that detects the amount of debris in the water may have also failed. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring for the thermistor and optical water indicator circuit. If the circuit wiring checks OK, then replace the thermistor and optical water indicator component. Code 32. Problem. The thermistor optical water indicator circuit is electrically shorted. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring for the thermistor optical water indicator circuit. If the circuit wiring checks OK, then replace the thermistor optical water indicator component. Code 33. Problem. Optical water indicator OWI has failed. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and clean the optical water indicator. If the error code comes back once you apply power, then replace the optical water indicator OWI. Code 43. Problem. Communication stopped from the wash pump motor and the electronic control board. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the wiring from the wash pump motor to the electronic control board. If the wiring checks to be OK, then replace the wash pump. If the problem comes back, then replace the electronic control board. Code 51. Problem. Dishwasher door will not shut, door latch issue. Fix. Press start button and close the dishwasher door. If the code shows, then remove power to the dishwasher. Check the door latch assembly and the wiring for the door switch. If the latch assembly and the wiring are in place and check good, then replace the door switch. Code 52. Problem. Dishwasher door will not open. Fix. Check to be sure the wiring in the door switch checks good. If the door switch wiring checks good, then replace the door switch. Code 61. Problem. Electronic control board does not detect water coming into the tub. Fix. Remove power and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Be sure the water supplying the dishwasher has proper flow and good pressure. Check wiring to the water inlet valve. If the wiring checks good and the water supply checks out, then replace the water inlet valve. Code 62. Problem. The water inlet valve is having an electrical issue. Fix. Remove power and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Be sure the water supplying the dishwasher has proper flow and good pressure. Check wiring to the water inlet valve. If the wiring checks good and the water supply checks out, then replace the water inlet valve. If the problem persists, then replace the electronic control board. Code 63. Problem. Air or suds are in the water pump. Fix. Check the water fill level. Check for suds in the fill water at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. If the water fill level is low, then replace the water inlet valve. If you find excess suds, then check the detergent dispenser and replace it if damaged. Code 64. Problem. The float switch is electrically open or stuck. Fix. Check the overfill float switch and make sure it is not stuck under. There is something under it holding it up. Be sure the water inlet fill valve is shutting off the water when the dishwasher is turned off. Code 66. Problem. Water coming into dishwasher is too cold. Fix. Use thermometer to check the water temperature coming into the dishwasher. If the water is lower than 110 degrees, then check your water heater. Adjust water heater if needed. If the water temperature coming into the dishwasher is between 110 to 120 degrees, then replace the thermistor optical water indicator, or as last resort, the electronic control board. Code 67. Problem. Flow meter is not connected or faulty. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wires to the flow meter. If the wiring checks good, then replace the flow meter. Code 71. Problem. Heating element not heating. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the heating element and replace it if you find it to be burned or faulty. If the heating element checks good, then check the wires to the heating element. If the wiring checks out, then replace the heating element. Code 72. Problem. Heating element will not turn off. Constant heat. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher for 10 minutes. If the error code comes back when you turn power back on, then replace the electronic control board. Code 81. Problem. Water is draining too slow. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Check the drain path to see if something is blocking it. If the drain path is clean and completely clear, then check the wires on the drain pump. If the wiring check out, then replace the drain pump. Code 82. Problem. Electrical problem with drain pump. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and turn off the water supply to the dishwasher. Check the wires on the drain pump. If the wiring checks out, then replace the drain pump. Code 83. Problem. Drain pump is stuck on constantly. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher and check the drain pump wires. If there is damage to the wire harness, replace it. If the wiring harness checks out, then replace the electronic control board. Code 10.1. Problem. Electrical problem with dispenser. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Remove the outer door panel. Check the wires in the detergent dispenser. If the wiring check out, then replace the detergent dispenser. Code 10.3. Problem. Drying fan issue. Fix. Remove power to the dishwasher. Check the wires for the drying fan. If the wiring checks out, then replace the drying fan.